Hello Superuser, today we're going to learn how to fix the hairpin openings the easy way without having to manually readjust things every time. So first I want to show you exactly what the problem is. So if you notice, when you type in a crescendo or a decrescendo, but one is a lot bigger than the other, the openings here don't have the exact same size. Let me just zoom in. You see, these aren't the same size, and that is a distraction, and we don't want distractions when we're engraving. So all you have to do for this is just come up here, go to Smart Shape Options when you have the Smart Shape tool selected, Shorts Bandwidth, 9 points. Make sure the units is points here, and hit OK. And there you go. Now they're exactly the same size. And best of all, if you do this in your document styles, you won't ever have to worry about this problem ever again. And if you don't know how to do that, I'll link a video in the description on how to set up your document styles. So that's it. That's how you solve the hairpin opening size problem. If you found this at all useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the finale tips and tricks.